Welcome back to the channel, everybody. As always, man, it's a great day for another great video. We got the boy C Witty with us, man.
Always, man. I'm like that piece of gum you step on. I'm just gonna stay there with you no matter what.
Hey, today it's gonna be a different kind of video, bro. We're gonna Culture Collision Car Show, and it's a sneaker show, so I had to put some slight, put the Travs on. We're gonna be taking the wide body today. They're gonna miss this crack pack, so I'm not gonna put her in the camera because she don't want to be in there. But yeah, man, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be the first vlog, so just bear with us. It might be some little weird stuff, who knows, but it's gonna be a fun day, man. All right, man, after 2 hours driving, everybody, we finally made it here. See Witty, man, how was the drive, bro?
We didn't die. We didn't die. You know?
Almost did, yo. People can't drive, but yeah, we'll walk in and then I'll see you in there. All right, y'all. Hey, so we made it in, man. This is hard.
Wow, Patrick.
I'm not gonna lie, man. It's crazy packed in here. A lot more than I thought it would be. Lots of wax, man.
Yeah.
Oops, I'm bumping into people. Yeah, I'm bumping into people. Dave got the basketball over here.
Everything here too.
Got everything you can want. All right, man, so C. Witty is currently going through the CGC experience to get his comics graded.
What is that?
You want to join under a free account or associate.
Free.
Also, with these two, you get a $150 credit back with us. Basically, just to make this
So I'm gonna do the free one now. I have in the future, if I wanted to upgrade, would that still count, like the $150 one?
If you do that one, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You definitely can once you log into your account. You can upgrade it.
How you feeling, Whit?
I feel like a big deal now. Not crack facts, but alright. It ain't California love, this is Queens love.
Alright, man, we here with Zia Sports Cars. Right now we're trying to work out a deal for Flawless, Nick Boza, PSA 9 out of 20, Ruby, so let's see if we can make something happen.
You're gonna make 20 bucks.
Money is money, right?
Give you a quarter, take gas on your way home.
Huh?
Give you a quarter, take gas when you get home.
Right now, I mean, my price, I think I was at 105. So
I'll do a flat 100.
I'll do a flat 100. I'll do a flat 100.
You said 105 and he said 100?
Would you make a trade on that one?
That's not bad.
That's why, like, I'll hold off on the other side.
Appreciate it. Hey,
Right there.
I got you. All right, so yeah, man, we just sold the Nick Bosa flawless out of 20. 100 flat, not too bad. So here to make deals, man. So we gonna move on to the next one, see what's the next car we can move. Probably start a trade up. All right, man. So we with Tim from Collectors Connection. We just made a deal for what? 230. 230. Zach Charbonnet auto. I think it was one something. Victor Prism, it's not even out yet. Jalen Hyatt out of 75. Shady Sharp out of 99 and 10. And then Cade. We out here making deals, man. Come and coach your collision. Yes, sir.
Appreciate you.
All right, man. So we just sold all our cars, so now we're at the point to where we can have some fun, start buying, possibly do a trade up. It did get hot, so I had to come out the jacket, man. But Miss Crack Pack looking at shoes, so I might be buying her some shoes. We'll see. I'll let y'all know. Bro, Miss Crack Pack's one of the damn shoes. So we got her in dunks. 130. Appreciate you, sir. Appreciate you. Hey, if y'all want more kicks, I'm gonna tag him on Instagram. Just make sure y'all go shop with him, man.
Get one signed custom baseball. That sounds sick.
All right, man. We with Tyler from House of Collector. We just cashed out on the deal, man. 2022, Sauce Gardner, black and red checker, PSA 10. Bryce Young got an 80. 180, right? 180? Cash out at 180, man. So make sure y'all get with him over here at Culture Collision.
What up?
Back, man, we just got a trade with Justin from Conscious Cars. He didn't go, he just got me 2 cars for the PC, man. Both Romeo Dobbs, if y'all know me by now. I bleed cheese, so it's a good day. We sold cars, and we got cars for the PC, man. Come on. Hey, I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate
it.
Yeah. I'm telling you, I've been looking all day. There we go. All right, man, so the car show was a success. Flipped some cars, traded some cars. Got some cars for the PC.
That's right.
It was kind of loud in there, so sorry in advance if y'all can't really hear that well. I won't know till I get home and check the videos.
Your boy C Woody here. Let me tell you what, C Woody don't usually get the cards, but C Woody pulled out a big one. We got a PSA 10 White Mamba Brian Scalabrine autographed scripts. You know what the script says? White Mamba.
This man is wild. I didn't plan on really buying no hobby box, I guess. Like a lot of people, I ain't gonna lie, the price is kind of high. I did end up buying the 2024 Bowman University, so I haven't really figured out yet if I want to open on the channel or just open it myself, but I mean.
Comment if you want him to open it up.
I don't know.
I'm commenting right now and saying Crack Pack needs to open this box.
It might not make it that long, but we'll see, man. Appreciate y'all for tapping in. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and we'll catch y'all in the next video.